Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you own an electric scooter, you already know how convenient and fun it is to ride. But like any other electronic device, sometimes problems show up when you least expect them. One of the most common and annoying issues is when the scooter simply refuses to turn on. Imagine being all set to go out, only to press the power button and find that nothing happens. It's frustrating, confusing, and can leave you wondering whether something is seriously wrong with your scooter. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is not as big as it seems. Before you rush to a mechanic or service center, there are several easy checks you can do at home to identify and even fix the issue. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide to troubleshooting an e-scooter that won't power on. From checking the battery and charger to understanding error signals and app connections, we'll cover everything you need to know so you can save time, money, and get back to enjoying your rides. Step 1. Check the battery. The first thing you should always check is the battery. If your scooter has been sitting unused for a while, the battery might be completely drained. Plug it into the charger for at least 30 to 60 minutes before you try again. Many scooters simply need a proper charge to wake up. Step 2. Inspect the power button. Hold down the power button for at least 3 to 5 seconds. A quick press often won't work because most scooters require a long press to power on. Also make sure the button itself isn't stuck or damaged. Step 3. Verify the charger and cable. Sometimes the issue is not with the scooter, but with the charger. Test the charger on a different outlet, or if possible, try another compatible charger. A faulty charger won't supply enough power, and that can make the scooter look completely dead. Step 4. Look for indicator lights. Many scooters have LED indicators or display panels. Pay attention to any blinking lights or error codes. These signals often tell you what the problem is, whether it's low voltage, a connection issue, or a motor lock. Step 5. Connect to the official app. Modern scooters often require a connection to the official mobile app. Open the app on your smartphone, connect via Bluetooth, and check for firmware updates. Some scooters remain locked or restricted until the app completes the setup process. Step 6. Inspect the fuse and wiring. If your scooter still won't turn on, the problem could be internal. Loose wiring, a blown fuse, or a damaged controller may stop the scooter from powering up. These are not easy to fix at home, so if you are not confident, avoid opening the scooter yourself. Step 7. Seek professional help. If none of these steps solve the issue, it's best to take your scooter to an authorized service center or a qualified technician. Trying to fix complicated electrical parts without proper tools can cause more damage and even void your warranty. So friends, that brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope these troubleshooting steps help you understand why your electric scooter might not be turning on. Most of the time, the issue can be something simple like a drained battery, a loose connection, or even just a reset through the mobile app. By following these checks, you can often save yourself from unnecessary stress and costly repairs. Remember, the key is to stay calm and go step by step, rather than panicking when your scooter refuses to start. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on electric scooters and other tech. I'd also love to hear from you. Have you ever faced this problem with your scooter? And if so, what solution worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below, because your advice might help someone else in the community. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video with more useful content.